Abunge a kiama kia Jubilee hamwe na ciama iria matumite uiguithanirio macemanirie thingira-ini wa iregi mari abunge 212 hari abunge 216.
Chaired by our party leader, graced by our deputy party leader and the deputy president, our secretary general present. This must be a very, very good day for Jubilee.
Na mucemanio-ini uyu niho kihato kiria kiriga kuhata bunge-ini ya Senate kihatire muhiuria wa mucarisha wa Jubilee bunge-ini Benjamin Washiali ithenya riake rikineo mubunge wa Navakholo Emmanuel Wangwe na kiahata Cecily Mbarire ithenya riake rikioyo ni mubunge wa Igembe ya Rugongo Mau Kamaore. Kiama kiu gikiguithaniria Justin Muturi athie na mbere ta speaker, Aden Duale ureigi maraugaga ndekwirisha nake ahonoka kiana giki na niatigirwo giturwa giake kia mutongoria wa aingi nake mubunge wa Kibeberi Amos Kimunya akiamurwo gutwika mwandiki munene wa uiguithanirio wa Jubilee na ciama itiganite cia kiuteti iria maratuma ndugu nacio.
We will have a meeting. We will make sure that we will work with the new team, and Jubilee is very strong. Going forward, we want to make sure that not only Jubilee is united, but the whole country is united.
Cikaro cia bunge ni icokereirie Speaker Muturi akiuga watho wa gutereba mutaratara wa gutabania kura ya mawoni ni ugutemanio bunge-ini riri mihango ya gutabania kura ya mawoni irathie na mbere gwakiriria na bajeti ya bururi ya mwaka uyu wa 2020-2021 igathomwo tariki 11 mweri uyu bunge-ini.
We expect the budget chair either late this evening or Thursday, because we are having a sitting on Thursday, him to table in order to set the stage for the CS National Treasury to deliver the budget highlights next Thursday on the 11th.
Na kuo bunge-ini ya Senate, Senator wa kaunti ya Uasin Gishu Margaret Kamar ni ahitukirio ate kuhingwo gutwika munini wa speaker bunge-ini yo thutha wa ng'etheri yake maseneta Isaac Mwaura, Charles Kifiro, Stuart Mazayo na Judith Pareno kuyeheria.
Thank you very much, good people.
Hadwini Hainoro TV, jitagwo Harun Njoroge wa Maina.